Most people think YouTube automation is about pressing a button and making money overnight, but that's not how it really works. In reality, YouTube automation is about building a system where content is created consistently without you being on camera. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an automation YouTube channel step by step, what tools you actually need, and how to avoid the mistakes that cause most automation channels to fail. The first step is choosing the right niche. Automation works best in niches where viewers care more about information and storytelling than personality. Examples include technology documentaries, luxury and facts, business stories, space and science, history, and motivational storytelling. The key is to choose a niche with high interest, evergreen topics, and strong watch time. Before you commit, search your niche on YouTube and study what's already working: video length, thumbnails, titles, and upload frequency. Next comes content research, which is the foundation of automation. Every successful video starts with a strong idea. Look for videos with high views and engagement, then ask why they worked. Was it the title, the storytelling, the visuals? Your goal isn't to copy, but to understand patterns. Write down proven title structures and topic angles, then create your own original version. Once you have your idea, you move to script writing. In an automation channel, the script is everything. A strong script has 3 parts: a hook in the first 10 seconds, a clear story or explanation in the middle, and a satisfying ending that keeps viewers watching. You can write scripts yourself or use AI tools as a starting point, but always edit them so they sound natural and accurate. Original scripting is important to avoid reused or low-quality content. After the script, you need a voiceover. This can be your own voice, a hired voice actor, or a high-quality AI voice. The key is clarity, natural pacing, and emotion. Robotic or rushed voiceovers hurt retention, so take time to get this right. Next is visual creation, which is where many automation channels fail. YouTube does not reward slideshows or reused clips. Your visuals should support the story. This can include stock footage, animated scenes, AI-generated visuals, motion graphics, or parallax-style images. The goal is to keep the screen changing every few seconds so viewers stay engaged. Then comes editing. Editing for automation is about rhythm. Cut out silence, match visuals to the narration, add subtle sound effects, background music, and smooth transitions. You don't need flashy effects, you need clarity and flow. Good editing increases watch time more than any other step. Now let's talk about thumbnails and titles, because this is how people decide whether to click. A good thumbnail focuses on one idea, one emotion, and very little text. Use contrast, faces or objects, and curiosity. Your title should create a question or promise, while the thumbnail visually supports it. Never explain everything, leave room for curiosity. Once your video is uploaded, focus on consistency, not perfection. Automation channels grow because they post regularly and improve over time. Your first videos won't be perfect, and that's okay. Study your analytics, especially click-through rate and audience retention, and adjust your scripts, pacing, and visuals based on what viewers respond to. Finally, understand monetization. Automation channels make money through AdSense, affiliate links, sponsorships, and sometimes digital products. But monetization comes after value. If your videos educate, entertain, or explain something clearly, the money follows. YouTube automation is not a shortcut, it's a system. When done correctly, it allows you to build a channel that runs without showing your face, while still creating original, high-quality content that viewers actually want to watch. If this video helped you understand how YouTube automation really works, like the video, subscribe for more tech and creator breakdowns, and comment below if you want a follow-up video showing real tools and workflows step by step.